Today on this BMW, we're going to put a simple boot mode tune and not only show you horsepower, but 3 really cool features and how to use them in the boot mode app. For this demonstration, we're going to use Justin's F30 328. This will work for other BMWs as well, like your F30 335 or your 340, but today we're going to use this 328. If you're not sure what tunes for your car, please reach out at info@kies.com. With that out of the way, let's dyno Justin's stock F30 328 and see what we're working with. And just like that, we did 2 runs. On the stock tune, it did 233 horsepower and then 238. Pretty on par with what BMW says. They said around 240, so that's pretty awesome. I mean, torque did 276 and 279. Now let's show you how to bump up the numbers with a boot mode tune. So at this point, you're gonna need a Wi-Fi adapter and a boot mode license and OTS map pack. You can get yours at kies.com. So at this point, I'm gonna plug in the Wi-Fi adapter and show you how to flash your car with boot mode. All right, at this point, once you plug in your Kies Wi-Fi adapter, you get the boot mode app downloaded and your license on there. You're gonna hit a little tab at the top left, go to your maps, scroll down. We're gonna do stage 193 octane for this next run. You can see this little wheel right here. This is your configuration. We did that already and we'll show you how to do it in a minute, but now we're just going to flash. And right here, it's asking about a battery tender. You just wanna make sure that you have one of those on if your battery is kind of weak. Moment of truth, the tune is flashed. We're gonna let the car rest for 30 seconds. We're gonna turn it off, turn it back on, and show you what numbers boot mode gives it. And just like that, for 5 minutes of our time, we gained about 30 horsepower and 30 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, for the first run, we did 264 and then 269 on the second for power. And then the torque was 316 and 314. That's pretty awesome. As I talked about earlier, there's some pretty cool features in the boot mode app. Yes, horsepower is awesome and everybody wants to make 1,000 horsepower, but let's see what else boot mode can do. All right, so like I spoke about earlier, before you flash the car, you want to configure everything with the car. A few things to note, burbles, there's a few different options, but the coolest one down here is to customize, so you can have the burbles however you'd like. Also, personally, I have cold starting off for my car. When I lived in a townhouse, I didn't want my neighbors to hate me before I had the Kies valve controller. So you can turn that off or leave it OEM. Another really cool feature, if you go back to your dashboard, if the car was on, you could see all these different features on. You just tap here and start data logging. And another really cool feature with data logging is when you custom tune the vehicle, you see all the parameters, what the car is doing, and the tuner can make his adjustments from there. Like we talked about earlier, stock versus stage 1, our best run was 238 stock and then 269 on stage 1, so about 30 horsepower, and then stock 279 versus stage 1, 314 torque. So that's pretty awesome. Besides all the cool features like your burble controls, your data log, your cold start, boot mode is a great option for the 328. You can get your Wi-Fi adapter, your boot mode license, or your OTS map pack at kies.com. If you have any questions, reach out at info@kies.com or give us a call. Again, my name's Gary. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.